Hey viewers, I'm called Chef Linda together with Chef Sarah. Today we are preparing meat rolls.
And vegetable salad is Chef's Akameza Christmas edition.
So we're going to add a little sugar and lukewarm water to the yeast to activate it. Then we shall put it aside, some more water.
So this is our flour. We have sugar, we have butter, and we're going to make our dough. But we are waiting for the yeast to get ready. But we are going to first put the dry ingredients, 50 grams of sugar, a pinch of salt, and then
450 grams of flour plus 90 grams of butter. Then we're going to mix. Thereafter, we're going to add our 2 eggs. Beat your eggs from a different bowl, just in case one of them goes bad. Take on our yeast. You can do away with the torsions in case you don't have them. I think you see our yeast has really activated so well with this foam on top. So we add it into the mixture plus the eggs. And then we add little water at a time, get the consistency. We're going to place it in the mat to knead. Put our dough aside in the grease pan. Cover it with a torsion and put it in a warm, dry place. Now for the part of the filling, which is meat. These are the vegetables that we're going to dice.
so we are working on the filling. This is minced meat.
While Chef Sarah is working on the minced meat, the stuffing for the rolls, I'm going to be working on the salad that is going to accompany the rolls. So our salad is going to consist of mixed vegetables. We are going to, on top, we shall add some of these, the red bells and yellow and carrot and onion, and then we shall add a mango, a few mango dices, and corn. Our corn is yellow. Make sure you get yellow corn because it's softer when you cook it. This is raw, but we are going to cook it, boil it in just water, and add a pinch of salt. Dice your mango. Add our cucumber. You shall not peel it because we want to maintain the green. Demonstrate the use of a peeler. Make sure you have a consistent shape of your vegetables. Bell pepper dices. We add in our salad. Our corn is ready. It's going to go with the salad. We are going to make a dressing. It's a French dressing. A teaspoon of sugar, a tablespoon of vinegar, equivalent to 2 covers, pepper, and a little oil. Onions for flavor, to enhance the flavor, to taste. So you drizzle.
So we are still working on the filling, and it's our minced meat. First boiled it. Now we are going to put the ingredients: a bit of carrot for the flavor, a bit of this, and a bit of that. Put some bit of oil, garlic, cayenne.
Chef Sarah, as you are preparing the minced meat, I managed to finish preparing the salad.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. By the way, Christmas is on Monday. Are you ready for it? We usually buy new clothes for Christmas.
Yeah.
Have you bought?
I'm planning to.
Wow, our dough has growth. You can see it has doubled in size. Spread some butter. That is how much butter is needed. Put our minced meats, mozzarella cheese, which we hope to hold the minced meat together. This meat roll has some similarities with a pizza. The only missing item is the tomato sauce, which starts with a base. But the rest of the items can be used on a pizza: the dough, the minced meat, and the cheese. Yes, our salad with a fresh dressing can be served alongside. There we go. I like stuffing it with some of the salad. Tasty. Yes, today we made meat rolls and a mixed vegetable salad. We've used the simple ingredients that we've shown you. You can also do it during your Christmas break. You can also do the same using the simple ingredients at your home.
And if you want to do this and more, you come to 7-Star Culinary Institute. The January intake is on.
Thank you for viewing.
Merry Christmas!